Getting service on your wheelchair accessible vehicle or your mobile medical vehicle is not supposed to be difficult, but we've heard of so many stories from our clients who take their vehicle to a dealer and they say it's MoveMobility's problem. And then it just takes weeks to get it fixed. For a lot of our clients in rural or indigenous communities, that's been the reality. So we decided to solve it. Our solution is the Manitoba Service Program. Over the course of a few weeks, we ran a test with 3 clients. Instead of having these clients go to their local dealer, we said bring it to us. Whatever it needs, we'll handle it. The result was that all 3 clients got their vehicles back faster. One had even been stuck for weeks before they called us. We had it sorted out in 7 days with our new service program. And so today, we're launching this program properly, starting right here in Manitoba. And to tell you more about it, here is our customer service manager, Walter.
The Manitoba Service Program is simple. You bring your vehicle to us at our Winnipeg location and we take care of everything from there. Whether it be servicing the conversion, the engine, the suspension, the brakes, even a maintenance service, we take care of all of it from there. If we can do that work in-house, we do. If it needs to go to a Ram or Ford dealership or a collision center or a specialist, we'll send it out. We manage that relationship and we bring it back to our shop when it's done. You only need to bring it to one place. You only get one quote and one invoice. When your vehicle gets passed between multiple shops, no one gets the full picture. With this program, one team owns the job from start to finish. So here's how this works. Step 1, book your visit. Give us a call or fill in the form on our website. We'll go through what's going on with the vehicle and we will book you a time to bring it in. That conversation is where we'll find out anything we need to know before you book your trip. Step 2, bring in your vehicle. You drop the van off at our MoveMobility Winnipeg location, and the whole process starts in one place. You're not calling around and chasing anyone down. Our team will take a close look at it and evaluate the next steps. Step 3, vehicle review and quote. Once we assess the vehicle, we'll put together a clear plan and a clear quote. You'll see what's needed, the cost, and what the next steps will look like. All before the work starts, with no surprises later. Step 4 is to approve and coordinate the service. Once you approve the work, we'll handle the coordination. If part of the job needs to go to another facility, we'll manage that. We chase the parts, we chase the timeline. You don't worry about any of it. Step 5, invoice and pickup. When everything's done, we'll let you know. You'll get one invoice from us and come pick up the vehicle, and we'll get you back on the road quickly. That's 5 steps, all done by one company, and we'll keep you updated the whole way through. Now, you may be wondering, why are we starting this in Manitoba? The reason is straightforward: geography. If you're a customer in BC or PEI, driving to Winnipeg isn't realistic. So launching this nationwide is making a promise that we can't keep. But what we can do is start where it works. We have the local partner network here. The model is proven and the process is in place. We're ready to deliver on it. Our goal will be to bring this same program to other provinces over time as we develop those same partnerships in other regions. If you're in Manitoba, this is for you right now. If you're outside Manitoba, we still recommend reaching out to us to start your service journey. We're happy to work with your local mechanic or dealership to get you back on the road as quickly as possible. And stay tuned. We hope to roll this out to more provinces soon. Now, back to Simon.
So that is the program. One place to bring your vehicle, one team coordinating the work, and one invoice when it's done. We built this program because we got tired of hearing the same story. Customers being bounced around from shop to shop and feeling stuck in the middle. And that is not the experience that we expect for any of our clients. If you're in Manitoba and your vehicle needs service, give us a call. The number is on the screen and on the page below this video. Our customer service team will take it from there. And if you have any questions, please reach out. We're always here to help.